So as we have discussed in our previous session, that's about degree of intangibility as well producer versus consumer services. So today we are moving upon with the status of service within the total product offer. The status of service. Sir, is this so possible as such like we can showcase the status of service within the total product offer available? That's going to be a biggest question, correct? But when you're going to offer a better amount of services, when you're going to put forward into the amount of the services comparison, then automatically, yes, the status of service can be availed. Sir, how it works into the normal products? Maybe in case if it is about exclusively more amount of services charges when we are going to make it, yes, it is possible as like four-wheeler vehicles, correct? Two-wheeler vehicles. Yes, you can go for claiming, or else you can go for putting up open offer as like three services, four services are free. But is that possible for every product? It is not necessary. Wherever the services need to be associated as such like a status symbol, try to showcase that. Then automatically you can able to get avail with a better and better amount of services, and that results into a good amount of returns to the organization. That is how we are discussing about the status of service within the total product offer. And the fourth point is about the extent of inseparability.
Sure.
So with the extent of
What is it?
inseparability, okay, shall I stop recording, Abdul? Okay, let me continue. So here it's about the extent of inseparability. Again, the viewpoint service is inseparable. Service cannot be separated from the services provider to the amount of this individual consumer. Maybe we people have discussed with respect to the amount of like services offered, and this services consumption should be taken place into the same platform. That's a point we have discussed, correct? So how we are going to proceed further with all these? Sir, is there any possibility as such like we can separate the services? Yes, sir. That is the main viewpoint. In case if it is pure service, then it is purely intangible, correct? If it is about a partial service involved associated with the product, then it is partial services were partially intangible or else partially tangible, and pure products. As like that, we can go for finding out, yes, that is purely tangible. Here also, inseparability, whether the services can be purely inseparable, partially inseparable, or else purely separable itself. Yes, that's the point of in the fourth point we are learning today is about the extent of inseparability. So purely inseparable we understood as such like from the first unit, first slide itself we are getting through that pure services are inseparable in nature as like a teacher and student, or else in a hotel maybe that chef is preparing and of course the consumer also willing to consume. But sir, is this so true? No. Nowadays, due to the increase in technology, maybe we are finding out that partially separable kind of. Okay. So maybe I can go for quoting a simple example here. a banker, he is sitting in a teller counter, is counting the cash. It's taking almost like a 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes period of the time, and for each client, if he is taking about that 2 minutes or 3 minutes of time, thousands of other clients will be there in the queue. How we can able to manage? Correct? Can we separate his teller counter with automated? Yes, ATM machines have arrived. That much of time is being reduced due to the help of technological advancement. Correct? So probably nowadays, till the time of undergrad position, of all the students, they are going to serve with one of the education institution, and they are going to get the certificate of graduation, certificate BBA, BCom, BCA, BE, medical. But apart from, still we do have many of the services are getting associated with partially inseparable. Sir, is this so possible? Yes, sir. Many of the courses are going through with online, where people they are writing their examinations online through MCQ questions. Correct? They are getting the certificates, and those certificates are getting valid in the market, into the job markets also. Correct? So partially inseparable and purely separable. Yes, sir. So products are available, and your services are purely negligible. So importance will be more onto the products rather than services. Yes, sir. Majority of the time when we are going to buy the durable products, maybe we does not look forward into the services part at all. Correct? So as like probably we would like to buy a mixer grinder, whether we are going to look forward for searching for any kind of services centers, I think it is question mark. Correct? Even electronic items nowadays, it is as such like frequently we are making use of all those electronic items. Whether we are making identification as such like whether the services center is quite nearby to us, never to be. It is a so clear indicator as such like we can separate the service where the service can be negligible also. Correct? That is how the fourth point we people could able to understand. And the fifth point, the pattern of services delivery. Sir, what kind of pattern of services delivery is all about? Do we have different patterns of services delivery? Yes, sir. Truly speaking, the services delivery is completely depending upon our the services motto as well as the style what we are trying to execute in our routine. That is very much most important topic, the pattern of services delivery. Okay, so you will be having your own style or way of approach how you are going to judge your customers and understand their expectations. Yes, start understanding their expectations. Maybe your style of delivery of your products and services also will get changed. Correct? So probably we were discussing as such like a hotel service where that chef is preparing the food and this consumer is having the food over there itself. Probably yes, now itself we do have many of the platforms where delivering of that food to home with a specified time limit. Correct? So the pattern of services delivery is being changed. Correct? So classroom teaching was one of the kind of methodology since many years it is running going on. But online, yes, necessity has been arrived, and necessity is the mother of invention. Yes, classroom teaching is being changed into online. So that is how the patterns of services delivery is going to keep on changing. Yeah. So as of now, we people could able to cover 5 points, and the rest of the four points, 3 more points, we'll discuss in the next session. Thanks to everyone. Yes, so let us get back to the work. Right, so Asain, whether you had any kind of doubts, or even I could not able to mute the students here. Aishwarya H is present. Yes, madam, I'm watching.